You know what I've been thinking about?
Are you talking about potatoes?
Yes.
Potatoes start as weird-looking swollen stems that grow in the ground.
It's a miracle that something so dirty is also so delicious. It's socially acceptable to eat them any time of day.
You can't have cake for breakfast. Potatoes any time of day. Whatever you want works. Cake, chump food. It's for chumps. And I ain't no chump. Hash browns are like a classy one-night stand. They'll wake you up with a nice hot breakfast and then let you go back to sleep.
That's a keeper. Show me the mashed. Yep, okay. I feel like mashed potatoes might be a little underrated on the potato spectrum. But come on, people. Get it a little whipped, then add that gravy. How can you go wrong?
We've been mashing potatoes since the dawn of man. Back when people thought they were rocks and not potatoes. Oh hey, just gathering a bunch of rocks. What's this? One is a potato. Surprise! Evolution!
Baked potatoes are a vehicle for your dreams. Anything can go on it. Salsa, that's a classic. Egg, I mean, probably. I've seen it a few places online. Caviar, oh, you're fancy. I like it.
Okay, secret. Don't with potato salad. Why is it cold? Why is it called salad? There's no lettuce in it. I don't understand. It's called hot potato for a reason.
Oh, Rain down on us forever, Chip Lord. Once a chip bag is opened, there is no going back. That's the end of this video. Just kidding, you motherfuckers. There's fries, obviously.
If air was fries, we would all be dead. But we would be happy. And that's what's important in life.
You can get them waffled. Don't like them waffled? Get the out of my house. Just kidding, you can stay.
You can get them seasoned with cheese. You can get them home style. You can even get those tiny little strings of teensy potato magic. Sweet potato fries count?
Of course they do.
This is America.
Haters gon' hate.
Taters gon' potato.